Tell me about a time you influenced a team or department to adopt a new mindset or change the direction of it. What prompted the need for change? What was the result of the influence? If you have got this question in the interview, how are you going to answer? It's essential to structure your responses to these type of behavioral questions to your interviewer using the STAR format. This approach enables you to present your answers in a clear and organized manner, effectively highlighting the impact of your actions. It also ensures your response aligns with the interviewer's expectations while keeping your focus on the most relevant and meaningful details. Before I share an ideal example to explain this scenario, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. If you have alternative perspectives on this question or would like guidance on a specific topic, feel free to contribute. Your input could benefit others as well. For this specific question, I'll answer from two perspectives. First, from product manager, and second, as a software engineer, how should you answer this question? So first, as a product manager, in my role as a product manager, I was working with the customer support department, which has a traditional reactive mindset, responding to tickets after they were raised without analyzing root causes or recurring patterns. I noticed that a significant percentage of support tickets stem from the same usability issues in our onboarding process. I wanted to shift the team's approach from being reactive to becoming more proactive, partnering with product and engineering to eliminate the root causes. I started by organizing a cross functional workshop between support, product, and engineering teams. I presented data showing how 30% of support volume came from just two user pain points. I proposed a new feedback loop where support would tag issues by category and product would review this monthly. I also introduced a dashboard tracking the recurring issues and their status in the product roadmap. Initially, there was resistance. Support didn't see process change as their role. To shift the mindset, I framed it as a way to reduce their ticket load and improve customer satisfaction. I also invited one support lead to participate in product sprint reviews, giving them a voice in the development process. Over the next quarter, we saw a 25% reduction in ticket volume related to onboarding. More importantly, the support team began regularly contributing insights to product decisions. The collaboration became embedded in our process, and customer satisfaction scores rose by 15%. The team's mindset evolved from reactive support to being strategic partners in customer experience. This is a very strong example of how a product manager demonstrating strategic thinking and the ability to drive meaningful change across teams. It showcases how thinking big beyond immediate tasks can help to systematically improve the systems involved and stronger cross-functional alignment and a better customer experience. By identifying a recurring issue, building a collaborative solution, and influencing a shift in mindset, this approach reflects true leadership and long-term impact. Before we proceed to explore how a software engineer can effectively respond to this question, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and leaving a comment. Your support helps empower more candidates to excel in their interviews. So now move on to how a software engineer should answer this question. While working as a software engineer on a legacy system team, I noticed that the team was consistently focusing on quick bug fixes rather than improving the overall code quality and system architecture. This led to recurring issues and slowed down feature development. I believe we needed to shift from a reactive patchwork mindset to a proactive culture focused on maintainability, code reviews, and automated testing. My goal was to encourage the team to embrace best engineering practices to improve long term productivity. I initiated a series of knowledge sharing sessions where I presented data on how technical debt was impacting our velocity and quality. I introduced the concept of test driven development and proposed we start adopting it gradually on new features. I also collaborated with team leads to incorporate more rigorous code review guidelines and set up automated test coverage reports. To address initial resistance, I demonstrated quick wins by refactoring a small module using these practices, which reduced bugs and improved code readability. I encouraged open discussion and invited team members to share their concerns and ideas throughout the process. Within 3 months, the team began adopting test driven development and stricter code reviews more consistently. The number of production bugs decreased by 40%, and the team's delivery speed improved due to fewer regressions. Over time, this mindset shift fostered a culture of quality and ownership, which positively influenced other engineering teams as well. Again, this is another strong example if you are a software engineer on how you should answer this behavioral question, especially in the FANG companies. Subscribe to the channel to learn more.